everyone, this is Iris from Henghua Factory. Today we are going to share some information of our hot sealing machines with you guys together. Our factory has been in this line for decades of years. There are lots of hot sealing models. First, you can see the video. This is our DSS8 house crimping machine. Now let's see the video. Now in this video you can see this is the customized DSG250 for one of our customer. So you can see we have some our hot sealing models. You can buy that one of that as you like, and we also can customize for you. So if you have any special requirements about the pump, the control panel, even the paintings, the crimping range, or the shape of the molds, we also can customize for you.